Alphabet sound actions. Learn letter sounds with movement. Are you ready? Let's begin.
K,
Take one hand and turn your palm so it faces you. Now place it gently over your mouth. Just cover it lightly. Give a little chuckle in your throat. Ready?
Awesome job!